Okay, in this video lesson we're going to look at 3 Latin grooves, Songo, Mambo and Soca. We're going to start off with Songo. I'm going to play the whole groove, and I'm going to break it down into some exercises and then build it back up. So this is the Songo. So, let's look at the foot pattern first of all. Got the hi-hat playing on the quarter note, and the bass drum's going to play on the A of 1, and the and of 2, the A of 3, and the and of 4. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that's the foot pattern. We're going to have the right hand on the ride on the quarter note. So the right hand's going to play the same as the left foot. Okay? The left hand part. For the moment, I'm just going to play it as a acrostic pattern, so you can listen to the count and also just get used to the actual rhythm itself. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's quite a lot of information to take in, so I'll just break it down into beats. On beat 1, we're playing on the and of 1. On beat 2, we're playing on the E and the A. I'll put those 2 beats together. 1. On beat 3, we're playing on the E and the A. On beat 4, we're playing on the E and the A. I'll put beat 3 and beat 4 together. And I'll put all 4 beats together. So we've got the and of 1, the E and the A of 2, the E and the and of 3, and the E and A of 4. Okay, cool. Now we need to start putting it together. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. So, what I like to do here is, rather than trying to play the full pattern, is to try the left hand and the right foot. Okay, this is what the left hand and right foot sounds like. 1. Then add in the right hand. One of the interesting things about the Songo groove, in the instance where I've just played it, is we're playing what's called a linear groove, so no limbs are landing at the same time. However, if I add my hi-hat foot back in, it won't be linear. Here we go. take my left hand back to the snare and I'm going to add 3 accents in. I'm going to add an accent on the and of 1, the at of 2, and the at of 4. Take the speed up a little bit and move my right hand onto the bell. Okay, so that's the Songo groove. Moving on to the Mambo. So what I'll do here is I'm going to build this groove up. So the right hand's going to play this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the count for that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, 4, and. The left hand plays this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Put the 2 hands together. Okay, now you might not be able to hear, but the feet are doing this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, Okay. So lastly, the Soca groove, probably one of my favourites, or Soca, or Soul Calypso. So in this groove, the right hand is going to play some broken 16ths and 8ths, so 1 E and. Add the bass drum on the quarter note underneath that. The left hand's going to play on the at of 1, and of 2, at of 3, and of 4. The as are going to be ghosted, the ands are going to be accented. Then add the hands in. Add the kick drum back in. Excellent. So, there's 3 Latin grooves for you to practice: Songo, Mambo, and Soca. Great, thanks.